Cold ghost whistles through towns, with names given long ago. The moon, thought warm, escort me there. Cold moon of night, it sighs. You are on a train bound for nowhere. I will guide, but I warn. The cold deceit began hours ago. Turn back, fool. You are on a train bound for nowhere. Smile back at that moon. You don't know. Lunatics don't know. They only sigh. You are alone, the whistle moans. Turn back, heart. You are on a train bound for nowhere. Women laugh and cackle and drink. They warn and say love stories are for fools. No man is worth a train bound for nowhere. Nowhere leads and guides hearts of love. Stories to bind, to tell are read. Music to love is listened, and heartbeats are heard. As time slowly passes, but the passage of time is no rail passage for a train bound for nowhere. No one will be there. A shell, an empty shell will be at the gate of nowhere. My heart will seek no one. Laughter, false, a joker's riddle, all false. Kisses and songs and love and no one. Tears of fools, the heart thought over love. No, tears over loss. I love you means goodbye in a town called nowhere. A train bound for nowhere, determined by no one. Move onward, fool. And drunken women laugh at a train bound for nowhere, and a heart meant for no one. Cold ghost whistles, no one is there. Silence. And the moon sighs over a train bound for nowhere.